And, okay, don't say and.
And. Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative. I'm gonna finish my mantle today.
We're so excited.
I know, I have her here. She's the one that's really good at that kind of stuff, so. Yeah, she is.
I am.
She is. We are going to make some things for candle holders before we finish up. And here's some of our wonderful Hobby Lobby 90% off signs.
In no way are any of us really a party of six ever.
4, no.
Oh, you got a 4 there.
Yeah.
Oh, 4s and 6s.
Yeah. Anyway, these were random, but they were 89 cents each.
We're happy about that.
89 cents each on these. I love these frames. I think I told you when we made the botanical signs that you can pretty much guarantee that this is special walnut stain on all of Hobby Lobby's signs, or at least it matches it good enough. We might use some antique wax today, try to match, but these frames are gonna match those signs perfectly.
Yep.
So we're gonna make little stands for some lanterns that I have.
We're going from vertical to horizontal today with these. So they're totally getting transformed. We've got a new life.
I use some of these lovely beads.
Okay, and we also have these little 4-inch circle plaques. These are gonna be more
candle holders.
Candle holders, we like candles.
Might use the beads, little antique wax. So let's get started.
Okay, let's go.
Let's just hit these stickers with the heat gun. Our favorite tool.
Our favorite tool right now.
So before we stack these, we're just gonna get rid of the lovely Parties Of with some black paint. We're gonna use the Waverly ink.
We love Waverly ink. There's a little reveal here. We could take them off, but I think we're gonna be able to.
Ooh, it's a brand new bottle.
Ooh, that's exciting. Oh, this is wet.
Oh.
You just did your nail.
Oh, that's all right. Should we do real brushes instead of foam?
Maybe.
Let's bring out our rusty can. Did you see this Dollar Tree fix?
If not, click in the link below to watch this video.
And while you're down there, why don't you hit the subscribe button?
Since you're subscribing right now, because you are.
Did you know that 80% of our viewers are not subscribed to our channel? Ink is probably the thickest of all these Waverlys. I usually water it down, but I don't think I need to today.
It's full of pigment.
Very. Oh yeah, that's so easy.
Mm-hmm.
A little paintbrush.
More party of 6 over here.
Oh, that's nice and satisfying.
It is.
This is just nice and relaxing.
Mm-hmm.
We'll do a quick dry and a second coat.
Mm-hmm. So we've got these round discs for candles.
And we're gonna start by coating them with this antique wax to give them a stained look. So hopefully they'll match the other frames.
I can't see how deep it is.
We're getting low. I'm just coating it on and then kind of wipe it off as I go. I don't actually mind a little sanded edge look either. So I'm definitely gonna sand after on all of it. Because I like it.
Lots of fast forwarding here.
Yeah. I love those.
Good.
Beautiful.
Third eye.
Since these are going to be like trays and they're going to be touched a lot, that ink, if the slightest little thing touches it, it'll mark it up. So we're just going to add a layer of this ultra matte just to the top board. And I'm just going to plop some on there.
Schmear.
No, might be too much. Now we're ready for beads.
Beads.
So we're gonna put the boards together and then we're just gonna add some little beads for pedestal, for the bottom. Add some beads for the bottom of the pedestals. We're gonna put these stands together with these wooden beads, and we got this set. This was also Hobby Lobby on sale, of course. And it's already on a string because it's garland, but we think that's gonna...
It's gonna help us attach.
Yes. So we'll run the glue and then just stick
I'm just
the
gonna
beads
go right
on.
in the, right here. That's better than doing them one by one.
Oh yeah.
That's amazing.
If those ends bother you, you can pop that off and...
Darn it, I thought about that too.
What do you think?
That could have taken forever. That's
Oh
good.
yeah, to do them one at a time?
Yeah.
No way. Should we pop these off and put them on?
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like I'm in a spider web.
I know. Love it. So now, we're just gonna sandwich it in.
Sandwich.
One and done.
One and done.
All right.
Now we need 2.
So I think 4 beads on each of these little guys
Okay.
should be good.
Just gonna eyeball it.
Yeah.
It looks like snaggletooth.
It does look like teeth.
Yeah.
All right, we decided that instead of having 4 bases, we're actually going to put these together and make a little sandwich. Because that looks really cute, and it'll do more to match what we just did with the
Yeah.
frames.
Makes sense.
Blue. I like those.
Cute. Sandwiches. I am hungry.
These are, I love them. They're so cute.
them.
Yep. So we're gonna go take these to the mantle and load it up with some fall things, and
It will be cute.
obviously fall cute.
Fall cute.
Let's go.
Okay.
We're so glad that you joined us today to see this transformation. We hope you enjoyed watching us, and if this inspires you to create something similar, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And while you're there, please click on the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next week.